Today in this video, we will be showcasing installation of AMCOP using AMCOP operator on an OpenShift CRC cluster. So for this demonstration, we have an existing OpenShift CRC cluster available with us, which we will be using for this demonstration. And just quickly, we'll check the version. So we are running with the OpenShift version 4.7.18. So since this is a step before onboarding AMCOP operator on OpenShift's operator hub, so we will be using operator .yaml, which will indicate creation of CRD and all the other RBAC rules and deployments required for operator itself. So all the relevant objects are created. So this operator image is corresponding to release v2.1 of AMCOP. So with this, we see the operator is already up and running on the CRC cluster. And now we will be installing the custom resource, which is of type installer, and it essentially allows user to pick and choose some of the parameters. So we will be proceeding with the default installation. So with this, the custom resource is created. So once the custom resource is created, we would see that the corresponding pods required for AMCOP will start coming up in staged manner. So while the CDS is being deployed, we see rest of the components used by AMCOP are already up and running. So we will look forward to expose the UI service. So UI service is available on the following domain name. So since this is a CRC cluster, we have already added uh, the DNS entry corresponding to this UI service. So with this, let's try the UI. So you see the AMCOP v2.1 is already available in the UI. And in the meanwhile, let's see if all the pods are also up and available. So once all the components are installed and ready, we'll check the status of deployment. So we see the deployment has rolled out. So the release v2.1.0 is up and running on OpenShift cluster. Thank you.